What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Maico, Armada, the singing nurse. For today's video, I am going to take you with me to visit Faure Le Page. It is a very famous Parisian brand and they finally opened in Melbourne a week ago. So today we are going to check it out. We're going to check out the store and I'm going to take you guys with me to go shopping. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so now we are in Faure Le Page. They just opened a week ago here in Melbourne. They are located in 63 Exhibition Street. It's also near the other luxury brands here in Collins Street. So they started as a gunsmith company many years ago. They opened in 1717, which is very historical. So today we are going shopping. We're gonna check out the store and yeah, so come with me. Thank you. Can you use it as a belt bag?
Yeah. Just put it in a proper way. It's a little bit better. But yeah, like most of our clients, just wearing, you know, like this
Crossbody?
Yeah.
Faure Le Page. Am I saying it right?
Sorry?
How do I say it properly?
This one?
The brand.
Faure Le Page.
Le Page.
You know, you said in English, you said for forest.
Yes.
Take off the ST.
Faure.
I told him the pronunciation.
Yeah.
Faure.
Faure Le Page.
Faure Le Page. Perfect.
And it's been here for 300 years?
Yeah. Not in Melbourne for 300
I mean, like,
years.
I mean, it's been around for 300 years
Yeah,
in the world.
300 years, yeah. Like,
Nice.
they stopped to build weapon, like,
Yeah.
in the first, during the First World War. Faure Le Page, which is Arthur. It's the helmet that we have in Paris. So it's like our signature. Like Arthur was always in Faure Le Page.
Yeah.
And so that's the envelope you can have.
Nice.
Side, and you have also an inside pocket with the granite pin like this. So it's always, you know, like remains like a weapon, but like I said, weapon of seduction.
Very nice.
The green ribbon, here you put like a yellow ribbon, and you put like an initial or number, or another medal. They all have like meanings in French.
Yeah.
So this one is the coup de tête.
And you can like put some, like your initials or something like that in there, or?
No, not yet. We're gonna do the monogramming soon.
Ah, yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Because we just opened, but like
Yeah.
it's something like a lot of people requested.
Yeah.
Especially on the wallet, like for example,
that one.
with the monogramming. But yeah, we'll do that to be confirmed. So yeah, if you want, like, you can add me on Instagram and I will update everything. I've got like one thing for the page.
Lovely, awesome.
Like, we just started yet, so it's just like for inquiries and all of that.
Yeah.
But like as soon as we got something, I will definitely post in it, and if people need any inquiries, I will be able to make that happen.
This is the envelope bag. It's got the Arthur logo in there. It's really nice. And this is the crossbody bag. It's a wallet crossbody bag, so it's also really nice. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi Heather, how are you?
So where are we right now?
We're at the flagship store of Faure Le Page. And thank you so much. Thank you so
3,700.
3,700. This is 50 centimeters.
Yeah, 55
Okay.
in the width. Like more like a travel bag. There's one was like the 2 nights.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's the size of it?
55.
55?
So you don't have a black one.
No, the only black that we're gonna have is like the King.
Oh wow.
That's all the medals we have. So you have all the initials, letters, numbers, and as well the médaille. Coup de tête, coup de cœur, coup de chance, coup du sort with the butterfly, coup de pouce, coup d'œil, coup de maître, coup de foudre et coup d'état.
I feel like I'm in Paris.
Yeah, me too.
Very nice.
Open it, with this one. I will put it like here. See,
Oh yeah.
with the pompon, the yellow and the green.
Oh, okay.
This one is 370. But so here in Faure Le Page, we are a 300 years old house. We used to be a gunsmith during the French Revolution, and now we're doing weapon of seduction. This is the envelope triomphe with the medals Arthur, which is our emblem. Show you again. The emblem of the house, which is the helmet you will find at the top of the boutique in Rue Cambon, and she's also the one who was along with us all the time during those years.
And when was Faure Le Page discovered, or when did it start?
It started in 1717,
Okay.
so before the revolution, and they used to make weapons and accessories for the kings.
Yeah.
And also it was weapon to show strength and power. It was really important, and they were worldwide recognized.
Yeah.
Also, they worked for the Russian Emperor court, Also for the French court, all the family, Duc d'Orléans, Duc de Fontainebleau.
Very historical, yeah?
Really big history with Faure Le Page, 7th-generation family, and are here in Melbourne.
Yeah, first store in Australia.
Yes,
We opened a week ago, yeah?
Yes, we did.
Very
Last
nice.
Saturday.
Thank you, Victor.
Yeah, you're welcome. And I hope to see you soon.
Yep. It's amazing.
Et voilà.
Merci.
Merci à vous. À bientôt. À bientôt.
What does that mean?
See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Cool. So, thank you so
you.
much.
Okay guys, so as promised, I will be showing you what I have purchased from Faure Le Page earlier. We are going to be doing an unboxing video so you guys can get to see what I have bought for myself. So first up, I am going to be showing you the paper bag. I like that it has the logo of the brand on both sides. That's actually very nice. So we are going to open this little cutie for all of you to see. What I like about Faure Le Page, aside from their quality goods and leather bags, is it has a story behind it. It's been in the world for 300 years. So it started as a gunsmith company and now it's a leather provider or a leather store that sells different kinds of items to people. So I like that there's a cultural background and a heritage. So yeah, that's what really caught my attention. Let me show you the box, which I think is very, very classy and chic. Thank you so much, Victor, for wrapping this up for me. He had to do it twice. I am going to show you the authenticity card. There you go. So it's matte black and gold, which are my favorite colors of the year. And what I really like about Faure Le Page is they give you this book. I will explain to you what this book is in a minute. Also, they gave me a card, and what's written on this card is all the do's and don'ts that I had to do or not to do to make sure that I take care of my leather bag. So it's really nice of them to give you some reminders and tips on how to prolong the life of your bag. So I think that's really nice. Okay, let's proceed to our unboxing video. Okay, so this is what their dust bag looked like. Ta-da! I think it's really nice. It just has the Arthur logo in front. And I'm so excited to show you guys. This is what I purchased. Ta-da! So it's an envelope bag. So I really like this because I have not got a bag for myself that I can carry when I go to formal events or parties, because it's quite awkward to bring a crossbody bag or a belt bag or a bum bag when you go to, formal events. So I think this will really do me good because it's very easy to carry, it's very convenient, and it's so spacious from the inside. The proper way of holding this, according to Victor, is you put your hand inside this handle at the side and then just hold your bag like that. Which is, yeah, it feels right. And what really caught my attention and what really made me decide to buy this bag is this Arthur medal that's attached on the bag. So this Arthur gold medal is their emblem or their trademark. So you would know it's Faure Le Page if you see an Arthur medal attached to their goods. So this is what really caught my attention. Let me just show you what it looks like from the inside. So it's very spacious. You can put a lot of things actually inside. You can put your phone, your wallet, your car keys, your mask, or your hand sanitizers. It's really spacious. And there is a zipper compartment as well, as you can see there. So you can put like some of your, small stuff inside, your coins or whatever, and it is secured by a zipper. So that's really nice. And this is a magnet clip-on as well. So it's easy to open and to close. And there's also another space at the back as well of the bag. So you can put like, important cards or whatever. So you've got that extra space in the back. So I just wanted to show you guys that, we've got these two spaces here that you can put more medals on. So obviously here we've got the Arthur emblem that's attached to it, but you've got another two space here that you can put more medals. As you can see, if you've seen the video from the beginning, there was a part there where Victor took out like a basket of medals. So those are the choices that you can make. Unfortunately, don't go with the bag. You have to buy them separately. So you can attach any sort of medals or any sort of design you like here in your bag. It can be your initials or a very special letter that means something to you or whatever. Also, they are going to be doing their monogramming or their embossing of your initials eventually. It's not available yet, but I think that's going to be really cool as well. The book that they gave me actually is what's inside is the choices of the metals that you can put in your bag. So let me just show you. There you go. So it's different designs of metals that you can attach to your bag. They have, you know, the letters, obviously. They have also like more Arthur gold medal designs. So yeah, I think this book is pretty helpful because you've got the options or the choices on what you want to put in your bag. So that's really, really cool. And yeah, so I am very happy with this bag. So there you go. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Go and visit Faure Le Page. It's located in 63 Exhibition Street in Melbourne, Victoria. The interior is really nice, and most importantly, the sales assistants are really, really accommodating. They're very welcoming. Yeah, and if you have the time, go and visit their store. I'm sure you're going to like it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a comment if you've got any suggestions on what else you want to see on my channel. And please click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And yes, thank you so much for sticking out with me. This is Maico, the Singing Nurse, and I'll see you next time. Bye!